Now, to make the oo sound, it is voiced. You're gonna use vibration from your throat and use what's called aspiration, which is kind of just pushing air out of your mouth. So let's go over the mouth placement. The tip of your tongue will touch what's called the alveolar ridge. This is the bumpy part in between the back of your top teeth and your palate. Now you're going to put the tip of your tongue on the alveolar ridge to make the t sound. Now we're going to move on to the oo sound. It's actually an but because of the R, the sound changes and makes it sound like a oo. So tour, tour. You're going to round your lips to get that oo sound. Now, it's important to note that there's two different pronunciations for the second part. Most people, like me, pronounce it as tour with an oo sound. It's actually an sound, but because of the R at the end, it makes it sound like a oo. So tour. Other people, which is also acceptable, pronounce it as tour. Tour, like the word tour, past tense of tear. Either way is fine, but I prefer pronouncing it as tour. Now, to make the oo sound, it is voiced. You're gonna use vibration from your throat and use what's called aspiration, which is kind of just pushing air out of your mouth. Tour, tour. Moving on to the R, to make the R sound, you're going to take your tongue and just try to curl it back, and that will help you make the R sound. The tip of your tongue doesn't necessarily touch anything when making the R sound. You're really just curling your tongue back to make that R sound. Tour, tour. And don't forget lip rounding. As you can see, my lips are rounding as I'm going from the oo sound into the R sound. Tour, tour. And that's pretty much it. I recently taught one of my Ukrainian students to stop rolling her R's pretty quickly. So if you find yourself having issues with that or any other accent related issues as far as mouth placement and things like that go, feel free to reach out to me. I have a link in my bio where you can get more information about my 12-week accent program that is customized to you, because when it comes to accents, we are using sounds from our native language. So I can tailor that depending on what your native language is. I hope this short clip helped you out, and I hope to see you soon.